Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this 3-layer cupcake recipe with ginger and plums. So this is a very interesting mixture. I hope you stay tuned. I'm going to start out with some sugar in a bowl. You want to add 1 egg and your yogurt, the oil, and then give it a quick mix until everything is combined. Next, you want to add your flour and your baking soda and mix again until it is an even dough, and then you want to set that to the side. Now the second mixture is a bit more complicated. First you want to separate your egg, and you want to use your egg yolk in a bowl and the egg white in another one. You want to add some curd and sugar to the egg yolk, as well as a little bit of lemon juice. Ours is frozen, so it looks a little bit funny. Then you want to go ahead and cut down your candied ginger into very small pieces and set that to the side. You want to beat the egg white until it is nice and stiff. Just like that. Now you want to take the mixture with the egg yolk and you want to mix that all together first. Now it's combined. You want to go ahead and add the ginger and carefully mix that in. And then you want to add your egg whites and then carefully mix that in as well, so it gets a fluffier texture. Now you want to fill up your cupcakes. You want to start with the normal dough. Then you want to do the curd mixture. Want to get a nice even layer of that. And then you want to add this plum mousse. It's like a jam basically. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And this is how they turned out. They might not be the prettiest, but they were super delicious, especially if you like a hint of ginger and you don't want your cupcakes to be too sweet. These were really, really nice, and I hope you give them a try, even though they look a little bit funky. Talk to you soon.